Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you another gadget that in my opinion is very useful. About 8 months ago, I was fishing with my friend and he actually showed me one of these that is actually a foldable fishing bucket that can be used in order to store the feeder, in order to store your minnows, or you can actually store the small fishes that you catch in order for your kids to play around with them before you release them. Another thing, it has this very comfortable handle, and as you can see, it actually has this hole here where you can actually attach the line in order not to lose the bucket. One other thing which it does have this netting over here, which you can actually remove if you don't need it, but it protects you from losing those minnows if you are planning to catch that predatory fish, because, well, the minnows sometimes they jump around from a bucket and you might actually lose some of them. And if you had spent a bit of your time to catch them, well, it is actually frustrating when you see them jumping from the bucket and, it's not really pleasant. So this item, as you can see, when it folds, it's quite small, but, well, it is very useful in my opinion, because when I've actually tested it out about 8 months ago, as I've already told you, I found it quite useful and I wanted to have one of these. So that's why I've decided to buy one for myself and to show it to you. It doesn't cost a lot. If you'd like to check the price, I'll put the link within the description for you to have a look. And also, if you'd like the video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to become a part of our community. So from my end, that's basically it for today. I'm not quite sure whether you need it or not. It is up to you to decide whether to buy it for yourself or not. But again, if you'd like to save the space while you are preparing for the fishing trip, and it looks pretty nice when you are fishing, and for example, if there are a lot of fishermen fishing around you, you might actually see that a lot of them will check this bucket, and, well, the next time when you will go out fishing, you might see that those people have bought the same for themselves. So quite useful, looks good, very comfortable, and saves you a lot of space. That's basically it for today that I wanted to show you. Again, the links will be within the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.